Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lesson number 8. We're gonna study the main lesson today, and the concept in this lesson is about Kana and its sisters, and then we identified Ismu Kana wa Khabru Kana, and then we also studied Ismul Mawsul wa Sillatul Mawsul. So all these concepts that we have studied so far in this lesson, we're gonna find and identify all those in this lesson, which is al-amalu, the work or the job. Kan al-arabu ruwatan lil aghnami, the Arabs were shepherds. So what are the Arabs on this sentence? So Kana we know is Felu Madin Nasikhun Mabni al Fathi is Felu Nasikh, and Al Arabu is Ismu Kana Marfoon Walamatu Rafi ad Damma, and Ruwatan is Khabru Kana Mansubun Walamatu Nasbi al Fatah, and then Lil Aghnami is Jarun wa Majrurun. So basically Al Arabu is Ismu Kana Marfoon. Ismu Kana has to be marfu, and the alamatu rafi here is damma, and the khabru kana is mansubun. So and then summa then asbahu yamaluna fi tijarati. So they were shepherds, the Arabs were shepherds, and then they became working in business or in trade. So they came into trade after. So asbaha is sister of Kana. So asbahu is fe'lu madin nasikhun mabni ala dammi, is mabni by damma, and is min akhwatu Kana wa wawul jamati, and this wawul jamati is the ismu asbaha. And yamaluna is the fail. Amila yamalu, to work. Yamaluna is failun mudariun marfoon walamatu rafi subuti noon. This presence of noon is the sign that this is the rafa form of fail mudare. Liannahu min al afalil khamsa, because this is one of those 5 verbs that have the presence of noon is the sign that they are rafa. And wawul jamati, and this wawu is the file for yamaluna, and fit tijarat is jarun wa majrurun. And then so wawu was the ismu asbaha, and this jumla is the khabru asbaha. Wa jumla fi'liya fi mahalli nasbin khabru asbaha. So they became working in trade. Kanal Arabu Hurrasan Litujari Allazina Yabaruna Sahra Allati Tafsilu Baina Sharki wal Garbi. So Kanal Arabu Hurrasan Litujari, the Arabs were the guards for the traders. Allazina, no, Allazina is ism mawsul referring to the traders, and this is plural, so that is why it coming as a allazina, not allazi or allazani. Allazina, and allazina is mabni, it does not change. And yabaruna sahra, so the Arabs were the guards of the traders, those who yabaruna sahra, those were crossing the desert. Allati, now allati is ism mawsul for sahra, and this is feminine singular, so that is why allati is used here. Allati tafsilu baina sharki wal garbi, which sahra they were crossing? The one, allati, the one who is expanded between the east and west, sharq wal garb. So now let's do the Arab on this long sentence. So Kana is Fe'lu Madin Nasikhun Mabni al Fathi, and Al Arbu is Ismu Kana Marfoon Walamatu Rafi ad Damma, has a Damma here. Khurasan is khabru kana mansubun wa alamatu nasbi al-fata. Khurasan is khabru kana, and lil tujari jarun wa majrurun, and allazina ism mawsul mabni al-fathi. And then yaburuna, the verb, this is the verb present tense, so is from abara yaburu. Hum yaburuna. So yaburuna is failun mudarin marfun walamatul rafi sabuti noon. Again, this is the presence of noon is for hum liannahu min al afalil khamsa, and this waw is wawul jamati, which is the file. And as-sahra is maful bihi mansubun walamatul nasbi al-fatah. It has a fatah here. And then this underlined jumla yabaruna sahra is sillatul masul. For this ism masul is sillatul masul, and sillatul masul has no place in Arab. So sillatul masul, we gonna say just la mahalli laha min al Arab. It has no Arab function. It does not have any Arab. And then allati is, it is ism masul for sahra, so is another ism masul mabni ala sukun. And then tafsilu is another verb from fasala yafsilu. From yafsilu it changes to tafsilu, again because is allati is feminine, so it changes to hiya form tafsilu. And then tafsilu is failun mudariyan marfun walamatul rafi ad-damma. This, the damma sign means that this is the fail mudari marfu. Fa'iluhu damirun mustatirun, and the file is hidden here. Tafsilu takdiruhu hiya, again hiya, because that is why is allati is used, because this is feminine. Yaudu ala as-sahra, which returns to as-sahra. Baina is zarf mansubun walamatun nasbi al-fatah, and then it becomes mudaf, and sharki is mudaf alayhi, and this waw is harfu atfin, and then al-garbi is matuf ala sharki. So it should have the same Arab as ash-sharki. Matuf ala sharki majrurun mislahu, like this. Al-jumla failure, and then this underlined jumla failure is sillatul mawsul la mahalli laha min al-Arab. It has no place in Arab. This is the sillatul mawsul for allati. Summa sara al-hurrasu tujaran. So before, the Arabs were the guards for the traders. They were guarding them or protecting, giving them protection when they were crossing the desert, from the desert that was expanded, or that the desert from east to west. And then they summa sara, then al-hurrasu, then the guards, they became tujaran. They became they themselves became the merchant. They became the business people, or they became traders. So Sara is sister of Kana. Sara is Failu Madin and Nasikhun Mabni al Fathi. Min Akhwatu Kana is sister of Kana, and is Failu Nasikhun. And then Al Hurrasu is Ismu Sara Marfoon. Ismu Sara Marfoon Walamatu Rafi ad Damma. And Tujaran is Khabru Kana Mansubun Walamatu Nasbi al Fatah. Wagadat Khiyamul Badwi Mudnan. And then the tents of the Bedouin tents, they became cities. Mudnan, they became cities. Before it was like the tents, they turned into cities. So, and this, the Arab of this sentence is Gadat is Failu Madin Nasikhun Mabni al Fathi min Ikhwati Kana wa Ta'u Litanis. So this is Khiyam is again broken plural. So broken plural for this is Kullu Jama Muannas. So the Muannas form of the verb is used. So Ghadat is like here. So ghadat is fi'lu madin nasikhun mabni al fathi. This the fatha. Min akhwati kana wa ta, and ta is the sign of the feminine, that this is here. Wa ta'u litanis. And khiyamu is the ismu gada marfun wa lamatu rafi ad-damma, and then khiyamu becomes mudaf, and al badwi is mudaf alayhi majrurun wa lamatul jarri al kasra. And mudnan is mansubun, so khiyam is ismu gada and mudnan is khabru gada mansubun wa lamatul nasbi al fatah. Wabatat Makkatu markazan litijarati, and Makkah became center for trade. It became a center of trade. Bata again like kana. Bata fi'lu madin nasikhun mabniun al fathi min akhwati kana, and again ta'ul litanis. Again this is going to khiyamu, which is kullu jama muannas, broken plural. And makkatu is ismu bata, is marfu, ismu bata marfun wa lamatu rafi ad-damma, and markazan is khabru bata mansuban wa lamatu nasbi al fatah, and litijarati is jarun wa majrurun. Wakana liyahliha rihlatani, and its residents had rihlatani, two journeys or two trips, two travels. Rihlatun fi saifi wa rihlatun fi shitai. So they had two the residents of the city, because now it had become the center for trade, and its residents they were getting two journeys, and one in the saif, one in summer, and one in the winter, fi shitai. So this kana is fi'lu madin nasikhun mabni al fathi, and liyahli is jarun wa majrurun, shibu jumla fi mahalli nasbin khabar kana muqaddam. So liyahli is khabru kana, and this khabar coming before, and then ahli is mudaf, and ha is mudaf alayhi. Ha damirun muttasirun mabni ala sukun fi mahalli jarrin mudaf alayhi. And rahlatani is ismu kana, and is marfoon by alif of musanna, because this is for dual, two travels. So rahlatani ismu kana muakhirun marfoon wa lamatu rafi al alfu liannahu musanna. Allazani kanu yazhabuna ilayhima litijaratihuma shamu wal yamanu. The two countries, those who they were going to them for trade were huma, both of them, they both were Ashamu wal Yamanu, Syria and Yemen. And the Arab of this sentence, al baladani mubtada marfoon wa lamatu rafi al alfu liannahu musanna. Similarly, Allazani is ismun mawsul marfoon, and is this sifa for baladani. And kanu is fi'lu nasikhun mabni ala dammi wa wawul jamaati fi mahalli rafin ismu kana, waw is ismu kana. And zahaba yazhabu, yazhabuna is coming from the verb zahaba yazhabu, to go. Yazhabuna fi'lun mudari marfoon wa lamatu rafi sabutinu liannahu min al af'al al khamsa. This is one of those 5 special verbs. Min al af'al al khamsa wa wawul jamaati fa'il wal jumla fi'liya yazhabuna fi mahalli nasbin khabru kana. wal jumla kana ma ismuha wa khabru, ma ismuha wa khabruha, ma ismuha wa khabruha, which is kanu yazhabuna, fi mahalli rafin khabar al baladani. So this kanu yazhabuna is khabar for al baladani. And then wal jumla kanu yazhabuna, this underlined jumla is silatul mawsul la mahalli laha min al i'rab. Wa zallat tijaratu fi aidil arabi waqtan tawilan, and the trade or the business, the trade remained in the hands of Arab for a long time. And the i'rab of this sentence is zallat is the zalla is fi'l madin nasikun mabni al fathi, mabni al fathi min khawatu kana wa ta'u litanis, and ta is for ta of feminine, because this atijaratu is feminine, the file is feminine, so the verb form is used for like here, so this is feminine. Atijaratu ismu dalla marfun walamatu rafi ad-damma, and fi aidi al jarun majrurun, and then aidi fi aidi jarun wa majrurun, and then aidi mudaf, and then ya and then arabi is mudaf alayhi majrurun walamatul jarri al kasra. And this waqtan is khabru dalla mansubun walamatul nasbi al fata, and tawilan is naat or sifa for waqtan. Ta'allam al badu zaraata indama taraku sahara wa zahabu ila bilad allati tajri fiha al anharu. So the Bedouins, they learned zaraat, agriculture, indama, when taraku sahara, when they left the desert, wa zahabu, and they went ila biladi, to the countries or the lands, allati, those who, tajri fiha al anharu, those who they had rivers flowing under it. So when they went to the countries or the lands that had the rivers, when they moved from desert to the lands that they had the rivers flowing under it, so they learned the agriculture over. Ta'allama yata'allamu is to learn. So ta'allama is fi'lu madin mabni al fathi, it has a fatha, and al badwu is fa'ilun marfun walamatu rafi ad-damma, and az-zara'ata is maf'ul bihi mansubun walamatu nasbi al fatha. So that i'rab of this sentence. And then tarakus sahra, this is the i'rab for this sentence. So taraku is coming from the verb taraka yatruku, so taraka taraku hum taraku fi'lu madin mabni al dam mabni al dammi, has the damma at kaf, wa wawul jamati file, and waw is the file, fi mahli rafin file, and as-sahra maf'ul bihi mansuban walamatun nasbi al fatha. And then zahabu ila bilad allati, and about this sentence, so zahaba yazhabu, to go, so zahabu fi'lu madin mabni al dammi, and then again wawul jamati file, ila harfu jarrin mabni la sukun, and al biladi is getting a bit slower today, the connection. Al biladi is ism majrur walamatul jarri al kasra, so ila biladi jar wa majrurun, allati again is kullu jama muannas, allati is ism mawsul, ismun mawsul mabni al sukun, and then tajri is coming from the verb, because it's allati, so is hiya tajri is coming from the verb jara yajri, so huwa yajri hiya tajri, so tajri is fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un walamatu rafi ad-damma, dammatil muqaddara is actually ya, a weak letter, so we can't see damma here, is, we can't put dhamma on tajriyu because for heaviness, lisikl. So dhammatil muqaddara, this is the estimated dhamma here. Fiha al jarun wa majrurun al anharu, and the file is here. Fa'ilun marfu'un wa alamatul rafi ad dhamma. This is the dhamma here, and then this whole underlined jumla is silatul masul for allati la mahalli laha min al i'rab. So this is about this sentence. Kama ta'allamu kasiran min al hirafi min ahlil biladi allati dakhaluha. So they also learned some crafts or some trades. They not only learned agriculture, they also learned some crafts or some trades min ahlil biladi, from the residents of those countries. Allati, the countries, those who dakhaluha, they entered. So let's see the Arab of this sentence. So ta'allama yata'allamu is same as has come before in this, the first sentence here. Tam'allamal badu, so this is ta'allamu, ta'allama yata'allamu, to learn. So ta'allamu is failun madin mabni ala dhammi wa wawul jamaati fi mahalli rafin, file. Waw is the file. They learned. Kasiran, kasiran is mansoob here, maf'ul bihi mansubun wa alamatul nasbi al fatha. Min al hirafi is jarun wa majrurun. Min ahlil biladi, again min ahli, jarun wa majrurun, and then ahli is ism majrur lamatul jarri al kasra, and then it becomes mudaf, and al biladi is mudaf ilayhi majrurun wa lamatul jarri al kasra. Allati is ismun mawsulun mabniun, and then dakhalu is coming from the verb dakhala yadkhulu. So dakhala, dakhalu, hum dakhalu. So is fi'lu madin mabni ala dammi wa wawul jamaati fi mahalli rafin, fa'il, and ha is damirun muttasilun mabni ala sukun fi mahalli nasbin maf'ul bihi. And this underlined jumla dakhaluha with fail, fa'il and maf'ul bihi, this underlined sentence is silatul mawsul for ism mawsul allati la mahalli laha min al i'rab. It has no place in i'rab. Faminhum man asbaha, so when they learned the crafts or trades, so some became man asbaha. Faminhum man asbaha najjaran, some of them became carpenter. Waman sara haddadan, some became blacksmith, some of them. And waman amsa khabbazan, and some of them became khabbaz, the baker. Waminhum man zalla badwiyan fi sahra, and some among them remained Bedouins in the desert. So some of them, they just remained as they were in the desert. So and they all same sentences. So let's I have put Arab on this sentence. فَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ أَصْبَحَ نَجَّارًا. So minhum is al jaru majrur shibu jumla khabar fi mahalli rafun, khabar muqaddam. Khabar is coming before because the mubtada is ismu istifham, mabni ala sukun fi mahalli rafin, mubtada muakhar. So that is why it's mubtada muakhar. Asbaha fi'lu madin nasikun mabni ala al-fathi min akhwatu kana. Min akhwati kana zamir mustatirun, and so asbaha, the ismu asbaha is mustatir here, which is huwa. Zamir muslim taqdiru huwa ismu asbaha, and najaran is khabru asbaha mansubun wa alamatun nasbi al-fatah. So similarly the i'rab for these sentences are same. Waman sara haddadan wa aman amsa khabbazan wa minhum man zalla badwiyan. And wal banatu, and the girls, allati. So you see this is the plural feminine, so that is why is plural feminine of form of the allazi ism mawsul is used. Masculine was allazina, so this is allati. Wal banatu, the girls, those who tarakna sahara, who left the desert. Zalalna, they kept on Yaskurnal Kamara, mentioning or remembering the moon. Allazi, the one who, so Allazi going to the Kamara is masculine, so that is why Allazi, the moon, that the one who, Ghanna Lahu Shorahu, that the poets sang about it. So let's look at this sentence. So wow, we know harfu atfin. Al binatu muqtada marfun walamatu rafi ad-damma allati, and is ism mausul mabni ala sukun. Tarakna is coming from the verb taraka yatruku. So tarakna is fe'lu madin mabni ala sukun wa nunu niswa, and noon is the file here. Tarakna, noon is the file, nunu niswa damir file, and as-sahra maf'ul bihi mansubun wa alamatun nasbi al-fatha, and wal jumla tarakna as-sahra, and this underlined jumla is sillatul mawsul for allati, and this is la mahalli laha min al-i'rab. And then in this sentence zalalna yazkurna al-kamara, so zalalna is fi'lun nasikhun mabni min akhwati kana wa nunu niswa, and this nunu niswa is ismu zalla, and yazkurna, this again another verb. The verb is coming from zakara yazkuru, to mention. Yazkurna fi'lun mudariun mabniun, so this is fi'l mudari, and this form is mabni ala sukun litasalahu binunin niswa. It has a sukun here because it's connected to nunun niswa, which is the file, and al-kamara maf'ul bihi mansubun wa alamatun nasbi al-fatha, and wal jumla yazkurnal kamara fi mahalli nasbin khabar for zalalna. So zalalna yazkurnal kamara, and this nunu niswa is ismu zalla, and yazkurnal kamara is khabru dalla. And then allazi is ism mawsul for al-kamar, and then ism mawsul mabni ala sukun. Ghanna is another verb, ghanna yughanni, so ghanna is fi'lu madin mabni ala al-fathi, and then lahu jarun wa majrurun. Ashurau is the file for ghanna, so ashurau fa'ilun marfun wa alamatu rafi ad-damma, and wal jumla ghanna lahu shura, this underlined jumla is coming as a sillatul mawsul for allazi la mahalli laha min al-i'rab. So that was the okay, it's gone. So falaysa kamrul madinati ka kamari sahrai, because why they were kept on remembering the moon, because the moon of the city was not like the moon of the desert. So laysa is again fi'lun nasikhun min akhwati kana, sister of kana, and then kamru is ismu laysa marfun wa alamatu rafi ad-damma, and wa huwa mudaf, and madinati mudaf ilayhi majrur alamatu jarri al-kasra, and ka kamri sahrai al-jar majrur shibu jumla fi mahalli nasbin khabru laysa, and then as-sahrai mudaf ilayhi majrur alamatul jarri al-kasra. So for laysa kamru is ismu laysa, and then mudaf, and it's mudaf ilayhi. Ka kamri is jarun majrurun, shibu jumla is coming fi mahalli nasbin, because is khabru laysa has to be mansub, fi mahalli nasbin khabru laysa, and then kamri is again mudaf, and then sahra is mudaf alayhi majrur lamatul jarri al-kasra. So then al-yawma ghadatil hayatu mukhtalifatin, now today the uh, the life has become different. What about this sentence? Al-yawma is zarf mansoob. Gadat is the sister of Gada, is sister of Kana. Fe'lun nasikhun mabniun al fathi min akhwati Kana, and wata is for feminine because al hayatu, this is feminine, ta marbuta here, that is why this verb form is feminine. And al hayatu is ismu Gada marfun walamatur rafi ad damma, and mukhtalifatan is khabru Gada mansubun walamatur nasbi al fatah. So the life is different. Fal hayatu tatagayyaru ma damal insanu yamalu. But the life tatagayyaru is because it's different. The life changes. Ma dama, as long as, al insanu yamalu, as long as the man works. As long as the man works, the life is changing. So in this sentence, ma dama is another sister of Kana. Al hayatu mubtada marfun walamatur rafi ad damma, and tatagayyaru is the verb tagayyara yatagayyaru tatagayyaru, because this is the feminine, so is hiya tatagayyaru. Fe'lun mudari'un marfun walamatur rafi ad damma wa fa'iluhu damirun mustatirun fihi taqdiruhu not huwa is hiya. والجملة في محل رفع خبر لي حياتي. So al hayatu is mubtada and khabar is this jumla tatagayyaru. And ma dama is fe'lun nasikhun mabniun min akhwati Kana, and al insanu ism ma dama, al insanu marfuun ism ma dama marfuun walamatur rafi ad damma, and yamalu is coming from the verb amila yamalu. Yamalu is fe'lun mudari marfuun walamatur rafi ad damma, and this jumla yamalu fi mahalli nasbin khabar ma dama. This jumla is coming as a khabar for ma dama. Faqad asbaha lin nasi amalun kasiratun. So there are many jobs. Now there have become many jobs for the people. Before there were little trades. As the workers are growing, there are more things to do. So here we have asbaha, another sister of Kana. Asbaha fe'lun nasikhun mabniun min ikhwati Kana, and lin nasi jarun wa majrurun shibu jumla fi mahalli nasbin khabar muqaddam asbaha. This is khabar muqaddam because this is jarun wa majrurun khabar muqaddam fi mahalli nasbin khabar muqaddam for asbaha, and amalun ismu asbaha marfun walamatur rafi ad damma. Kasiratun is sifa or naat for amalun walamatur rafi ad damma. Faminhumul al muhandisu allazi yabni al biyuta. So among them is the engineer. So now we have many different trades. Now we have engineer, allazi yabni al biyuta, the one who makes the houses. So let's analyze this sentence here. So minhum is jarun majrurun shibu jumla fi mahalli rafin khabar muqaddam. Minhum is khabar muqaddam, al muhandisu mubtada muakhar marfuun walamatur rafi ad damma, and allazi is ism mawsul for al muhandisu mabni al sukun, and yabni is bana yabni, to build. Yabni is fe'lun mudari marfuun walamatur rafi ad dammatil muqaddara, because again is weak letter ya, so the damma is not written lissikl because of the heaviness. And al biyuta is maful bihi mansubun walamatul nasbi al fatah, and this underlined jumla yabnil biyuta is silatul mawsul for ism mawsul allazi la mahalli laha min al i'rab. But वत्तबीबतु अल्लती तुआलिजुल मर्दा, and the doctor, uh, the lady doctor, allati, so that is why it is not allazi, if it's tabibun it would be allazi, but it's tabibatun, so this is allati. And the lady doctor, the one who cures the sick, it has the same arab like al muhandisu allazi yabnil biyuta, so it's same. Wal muhasibu allazi yamalu fil bank, and the muhasib, the you can say the accountant, the one who works in the bank. So arab for this sentence, at-tabibatu mubtada marfu alamatu rafi ad-damma, allati ism mawsul mabni ala sukun, and alaja yu'aliju is the verb here, and then huwa yu'aliju, hiya tu'aliju, because this is feminine, so this is tu'aliju. फ़ेल मुदारे मरफ़ू अलामत रफ़ी दमा फ़ी महली रफ़िन ख़बर ली तबीबा, फ़ेल मुदारे मरफ़ू अलामत रफ़ी अदमा. So we need to identify the file here. व फ़ाइलुहु ज़मीर मुस्ततिरुन फ़ीही तक़दीरु हिया, so हिया is the file. वल जुमला फ़ी महली रफ़िन ख़बर ली तबीबा, so this is coming as a ख़बर for the doctor. The doctor cures. Al marda is maful bihi mansubun walamatun nasbi al fatah til muqaddara, it has a fatah here, again is the weak letter, so is the estimated fatah here, and is maful bihi. And then underlined jumla tuwalijul marda is silatul masul la mahalli laha min al i'rab, it has no place in the i'rab. And then वमा ज़ाला अल-फल्लाहु यहताजुल आमिला, वमा ज़ाला अल-फल्लाहु वल आमिलु यहताजानिल मुदर्रिसा वत्तबीबा वल मुहंदिसा वमम्मरदा वत्ताजिरा वस्साइका. Ilkhun. And so Ma Zala is still another sister of Kana. The farmer, they still need the workers, and the farmers and the workers, they need the teachers, the doctor, the engineer, the nurse, they need teacher, doctor, engineer, nurse, wattajir, and merchants and the drivers. So Mazala Felun Nasirun Mabniun min akhwati Kana, and Al-Fallahu is Ismu Mazala Marfun Valamatu Rafi ad-Damma, and this verb Yahtaju is from the verb is Ihtaja Yahtaju, to be dependent or to be in need of something. So Yahtaju is Felun Mudari Marfun Valamatu Rafi ad-Damma. वलामतुर रफ़ी अद-दम्मा, अल-आमिलु मफ़ूल बिही मंसूबुन वलामतुन नस्बी अल-फ़तह वल जुमला यहताजुल आमिल फ़ी महल्ली नस्बिन ख़बर मा ज़ाला. So when we say यहताज फ़ेल मुदारी मफ़ूल वलामतुर रफ़ी अद-दम्मा, so we can say the फ़ाइलुहु दमीरुन मुस्ततिरुन फ़ीही तक़दीरुहु हुआ. So huwa is the file, which is the hidden pronoun in yahtaju. And then tusbihu al-am'alu aksara kulla yawmin, the workers are getting more every day, are becoming more every day. So asbaha yusbahu, asbaha yusbihu, Asbaha yusbihu, from yusbihu, huwa yusbihu, hiya tusbihu. Because amalu is kullu jama muannas, so fi'lun nasikhun mabni min ikhwati kana. And amalu is ismu asbaha marfun wa alamatu rafi ad-damma. Aksara khabru asbaha mansubun wa alamatu nasbi al-fata. And kulla is darfun mansubun wa alamatu nasbi al-fata here. And huwa mudaf and yawmin mudaf alayhi majrur alamatul jarri al-kasra. So now the workers, there are many workers. The workers are getting more every day. Fal jadidu mawjudun ma damal insanu mawjudan. So there is the jadid, the new trades or the innovation is will exist ma dama, as long as the man al insan mawjudan, the man will exist. So this is the last sentence. Al jadidu is mubtada marfun wa alamatu rafi ad-damma, and mawjudun is khabar marfun wa alamatu rafi ad-damma. Madama is fi'lun nasirun mabniun min akhwati kana, and al insanu is ismu madama marfun wa alamatu rafi ad-damma, and mawjudun khabru madama mansubun wa alamatu nasbi al-fata. So that is the simple i'rab for this sentence. So that completes this the main lesson, and we will do the exercises in the next session inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.